Today's video, we are going to battle of two powerful monsters. One is Titanus Kai Kai Velu and second is Godzilla minus one. What if these two titans get fight? Who will win? Let's get find out. So without getting late, let's get start the video. First, let's talk about Titanus Kai Kai Velu. Kai Kai Velu is known as Titan X. She was appearing in Monarch Legacy of the Monster Season 2. She was known as a cephalopod titan and known by aquatic titan that live in excess mundi realms. But after the human interference, she get outside the realm and go into ocean and raise their population. When he was saving to going our realm, and he can connection with human, with cat, with woman to get back home, and she will help us and to go back home. Now let's talk about Titanus Kai Kai Velu powers. Titanus Kai Kai Velu has a telepathy power and mind connection. He has very powerful ability to read their mind and know all details. And second power is regeneration. He can regenerate their body parts and their tentacles get grabbed and destroy them. EMP roll that disorient trick devices. Climate adaptation. He can adapt any type of climates, hot, cold and radiation type. And Titan X can change their color by their radiation level, and you can camouflage them. Now let's talk about Godzilla minus one. Godzilla minus one is an ancient dinosaur, but after the Second World War of nuclear attack, he turned into giant monster. First time he was appeared in Lagos Island to kill many peoples. But after the second nuclear drop, he turned into a giant monster lizard and have a powerful abilities. He can destroy almost Japan, but human at the end destroyed them. Now let's talk about Godzilla power. Godzilla is a main power is atomic breath. He was very deadly that destroy everything like planets, mountains and cities and etc. He was very capable that was destroy everything. And second ability is regenerative power. He can heal their wounds with per seconds. And that's all. If the two monsters get fight, Godzilla minus one will win then by their atomic power and high radiation level. But in the size, Titan X is bigger than Godzilla minus one and high durable advantage. So today's winner is Titan X. Who will win? Give your opinion and like the video, subscribe my channel, so turn on bell notifications so you don't miss any update. So thank you guys. Thanks for watching my video.